What's going on, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a couple of trades that we took today inside Team Bull. Talk about a trade I called out during my Instagram live pre-market on the futures, kind of give you my thought process behind these. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. I guess we can start with the pre-market reject area we was watching. I said, okay, so I'm watching for entry on this short around 3886. But I said, the only thing I don't like about this, we did have an increase in, we had an increase in buying volume right at that level. I kind of pointed that out. I said, if you take this trade, your stop loss needs to be above 3890. Reason being, if we broke that, that would have been a higher high. And I wanted to stay below this lower high here. And we did. We stayed below it. Had a nice move down. I didn't personally take this trade. I did take another trade. It was a simple short. No need to cover that. I just want to kind of give everyone my thought process because I had a few people reach out to me and ask me to go over this trade. Now, how would you manage a trade like this? Where would be your first sell? My first trim on this trade would have been when we broke below this 5-minute candle here, which would have been a lower low. Technically, you could have held this trade all the way down to here. That's when we broke back up above that 9 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Kind of let that 9 EMA guide me. One thing I plan on working on is holding my trades longer to my price targets or, completing my plan, whether it be, break above 9 EMA to a certain support or resistance. I will work on this and I will get better at it in 2023. Now, let's talk about a trade we took inside Team Bull today. I called this out over voice. This is a trade I personally took. First off, I took this initial breakdown off the opening 5-minute candle, which is higher risk, but it worked out well. Kind of got in trouble here because I said, okay, this is a trend line on the hourly. I want to take a bounce here. It didn't quite bounce like I wanted. I stopped out around 50 cents on this trade, which did take away all my gains from this first move. I said, okay, let's regroup here. I seen weakness in the overall market. I said, next pop up, I'm going to take put options. I'm re-entering this because we failed that trend line on the hourly time frame. We're still below the 9 EMA. Everything looks weak. Selling volume looks good. I said, next pop up, I'm taking puts. I got in here and I played this move all the way down to here. This is where I got out. Very happy with my execution on that. My thought process on this, I said 3,800 on SPX is the next support. And we pushed down nearly to that. I felt comfortable exiting this trade fully here. Worked out nicely. A lot of members made money on this trade. But that's all I have for this video. I like to keep these recaps short. Don't want to take up too much of your time. So if you have any questions for me, always feel free to reach out. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.